Have you ever felt like there's something bigger waiting for you after service? A mission that's all your own? For many vets, starting a business isn't just a dream. It's the mission that brings purpose back. When I first thought about starting my own business, I felt like I was stepping into unfamiliar terrain. But I soon realized our background gives us the exact tools we need to succeed in this new mission. Quick heads up, this is based on my experience, not professional advice, but I can tell you what's worked for me. Leaving one career path doesn't mean we're starting from scratch. Think about the strength you bring along. Those can become the foundation of your next mission. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 steps to start your own business after service. We'll cover identifying your skills, finding a target market, creating a solid plan, securing your funding, and the one common mistake that could derail it all. Stick around because this last pitfall, it's the one that can make or break your success. Step 1 is identifying your unique skills and strengths. After 40 years as an Air Force cop and federal law enforcement officer, I knew I didn't want to do security work anymore. So I went back to school and learned affiliate marketing, which gave me the flexibility to work from home while building my own business. But I realized I had strengths that transferred naturally into this new field, like talking to people. Everybody that knows me knows how much I love to talk, right? Also, my discipline and a strong drive to learn. Step 2 is finding your target market. Once you know your strengths, the next step is finding where they'll be most valuable. This is like understanding the mission's objective, knowing who needs your skills the most. Let me share an example of market match. A buddy of mine was great with tech and cybersecurity. After some research, he found that small businesses and nonprofits were struggling to secure their data. He knew his skills matched their needs perfectly, right? Win-win. Step 3 is building a solid business plan. Think of a business plan like a mission briefing. It outlines your objectives, the steps to achieve it, and the resources you'll need. Without it, you're going in blind. Your plan should cover what you're offering, who your target market is, how you reach them, and the cost involved. When I built my first plan, it helped me see everything from a high level, like a map showing the entire mission. Step 4, funding options for veterans. Let's talk about funding. Luckily, veterans have access to excellent resources for business financing. How about I share examples of funding options? The SBA's Veteran Advantage Loan is a great starting point. Programs like the Street Shares Foundation and VetFran offer grants and funding options, and there are other microloans designed to give veterans a hand up. Step 5 is avoiding critical pitfall, not having a contingency plan. It's the biggest pitfall I see is that vets diving in without a backup plan. In the military, every mission has a contingency, right? Your business should have one too. I met a fellow vet who put everything into his business. When a big contract fell through, he was left scrambling. If he'd had a backup plan, like an emergency fund or another revenue source, he could have handled it without missing a beat. These 5 steps can help you build a business that's built to last, but there's one personal quality, one you might not even know you'll need, that can make all the difference. And I'll show you what that quality is right here.